I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Father, Aaron, Natty, my friends. It's all my fault. Everyone is gone because of me. I wish this was a dream. No, this is a dream. This is a horrid, horrid nightmare.
Alicia!
I'm so sorry.
I don't think she can hear us.
Well, we could turn up the volume and just jolt her out of it. Actions speak louder than words, after all.
Wait, was this how you were planning to wake me up too?
Seemed like it would be effective.
Sheesh, rude much? Whatever. We just need to wake her and get her away from that day. Tell her what she needs to hear. There's no time to dwell on the past. We need to push on forward.
I need to hunt efficiently.
You can't avoid me! I'll end this! Vanish into the shadow of the moon!
Time for a counter.
Too slow. I'll cut all of you down! Vanish into the shadow of the moon! It's no use tearing through. It's over. Lightning blitz!
Leave it to me.
This is the end! You can't avoid it! Strike!
Don't.
Get in my way!
I'll cut
All of you down!
too slow.
Lightning blitz!
Are you okay, Alicia? We got rid of the caster, so you should be free of the illusions now.
I ruined everything.
That's not true! That tragedy wasn't your fault. It was because of that...
It is my fault! I had so much power, but I couldn't control it. I was the reason we lost everyone. It really is all my fault. Every night in my dreams, I see people that are never coming back. They spit curses at me. They know that I'm the reason they died. The words cut so deep. I'm afraid to close my eyes. But I can't forget. So every day when I wake, I tell myself, today will be the day that I face my fears. But the truth is, I never really came to terms with it. Even now, I'm trying to pin the blame on some unknown assailant, and not my own shortcomings.
Alicia.
I was a coward. I couldn't do anything on my own. And I couldn't even control my own strength. And nothing has changed. I've lost my team. Again.
If nothing's changing, then why not give up?
What?
If you truly feel that you will always be a helpless coward who runs from the truth, then maybe you should have given up a long time ago. But you're still here, Miss Blanche. You didn't. You came this far by facing your fears. You are not a coward, and you are not helpless.
But
What if the answers you've been looking for are at the end of this dungeon? What if the goal is just within reach? Do you really want to give up here? If I were in your shoes, I wouldn't let the opportunity pass me by.
Yeah. I agree with Ginu. Do what you think is best, Alicia, but I'm gonna find the real culprit.
Thank you, Mr. Sung. Thank you, Emma. I won't run. Not this time. I'm coming with you to uncover the truth. Even if that truth is an ugly one, I'll see it for myself.
Now that's our guild master.
We're almost there. We're almost at the end. That was nothing. We got rid of all the magic beasts, but we haven't been given an exit. Maybe this dungeon requires us to find it ourselves. There should be an exit somewhere. Let's track it down.
Oh, over here!
When did she get all the way over there?
This looks like the way outside. It, looks like a gate, though.
Careful, Emma. I don't think it leads back home.
How bad could it get? We have professional ant-exterminator Sung Jinu with us. If you're not going first, then I will.
Emma, wait.
That was reckless. She's either got nerves of steel or more than a couple screws loose. You can go ahead of me, Alicia.
Oh, okay. Mr. Sung.
What's wrong?
Oh, nothing.
What's going on? She doesn't seem hurt. This man is overwhelming. I can't see anything, but I definitely feel the mana. No way. The gate vanished. Is there a new enemy? Then Where is it? The space itself changed. That's the one from before. So that's the mastermind behind all of this. Show yourself. Who are you?
Yogumont, I am your proctor.
Proctor, is this a test?
Let's see if that wretch's experiment is fit to be the vessel.
Experiment, vessel. What's all this about? I don't need to guess. I can get the answers directly. A test, huh? Interesting. How about I give you one as well? I'll see how you measure up against my newest soldiers.
Impudent. Very well. Let's see how that goes for you.
Now, let's get started. Time for a counter. And open it! Lightning Blitz!
I'll shred you! This is the end! Vanish into the shadow of the moon! I see it all. It's no use.
I'll open the path.
Counter.
You can't avoid me!
I'll cut.
All of you down!
And open it! Leave it to me.
Vanish into the shadow of the moon!
Too slow.
I'll end this! I'll shred you!
Don't.
Get in my way!
Leave it to me.
I'll cut all of you and open it!
Lightning
Blitz!
I'll open the path.
This is the end!
too slow.
It's over! Strike!
Leave it to me.
Tearing through! Vanish into the shadow of the moon!
I need a break.
You can't avoid me!
I need a break.
is almost complete.
What does that mean?
Oh, you'll see soon enough. Try not to break before that day comes.
You won't escape. I still have a long way to go.
Sung Jinwoo!
Mr. Sung!
You two both look like a wreck. Was there another battle?
Of course there was! The moment Alicia came out of the gate, it disappeared!
After that, we were attacked by scores of magic beasts. There seemed to be no end to them.
I haven't fought this hard since the last time I raided with you, Jinwoo.
It was as if someone was summoning the magic beasts in order to get rid of Emma and I. We were struggling to keep up when they disappeared all of a sudden.
And then, thank goodness, you showed up.
Alicia is right. Someone is trying to split us up. Someone's trying to kill Alicia and Emma. And that someone doesn't like that I'm interfering with their plans. More than that, someone who doesn't like the player interfering. I guess that is all the information I'll get for now. This does seem like the right approach, though. Looks like we'll be working together a while longer. I'll leave some shadows with them just in case.
Ah! We're finally outside!
Alicia! Elena? Where have you been all this time?
I ran out to grab my equipment, then headed back inside the dungeon. But I was too slow to catch up to you and the Strike Squad. When I determined that it was impossible for me to catch up, I turned back to wait for you outside.
Are you telling the whole truth? You are the real Elena Renault, right?
Get your hands away from me! Why are you pinching my cheek?
So, it's nighttime over here. And Shadow Exchange has come off cooldown. You must have been in there for a while. The time difference between France and Korea is throwing me. Ah. It must be morning in Korea. Mom will worry if I don't get back soon. I'll be leaving now. Good work, everyone.
Wait!
Sorry, I really need to get back. Is it important?
No, but we should talk about something. It won't take long, I promise.
She looks just as desperate as the day I met her. Okay, as long as it's quick.
Thank you very much. We got a glimpse of the truth today. The culprits behind the raid breaks, they're people that can turn into magic beasts. And they can increase their numbers, though we don't understand how. But that's all we know. Now I'm not sure what our next step should...
Ah, I forgot to mention something. The fake Elena Renault that accompanied us throughout the dungeon referred to someone as her master. When she decided that her master had abandoned her, she started shouting that she wasn't a failure. She was really upset. So we can guess that this